Screen printers, it's Ryan from Ryonet. In today's video I'd like to show you some of the awesome improvements ROQ's made to the industry-leading ROQ Fold and Pack solution. The ROQ Fold system is the only folding solution in the market to allow for inline, on-the-fly folding, packing, and stacking of assorted garment styles, sizes, and quantities. One of the things that the Ryonet team really appreciates about working with ROQ is the openness to suggestions and attention and innovation their team puts on making the necessary improvements and addressing the market's needs. Through the first round of folding machines we've installed in the US market, we found a lot of ways we can improve the functions, consistency, durability, and usability of these folding machines. So let's review ROQ's main improvements, why they were addressed, and what's the outcome of the improvement. The first thing ROQ did is increase the opening on the front of the ROQ Fold to allow for sleeves, hoodies, and higher garments to pass through. Second, they added higher quality and tighter elastic banding and end caps in the folding assembly for better durability. ROQ then created stronger fixation on the Teflon belts so shirts can move over it faster and in higher quantities without getting stuck. In order to address this, ROQ completely redesigned the sealing wire mechanism. The new mechanism creates a much better seal to avoid plastic buildup on the Teflon heated wire. The new welding mechanism uses a different type of sealer with multiple points that is controlled by a temperature setting. This seals the bag not just in one spot, but in multiple spots, and creates a stronger and more consistent seal. This also has a significantly longer life and needs to be replaced much less and does not have a daily maintenance to clean the plastic residue. Always looking to improve, Ryonet and ROQ appreciate your feedback and helping us make it better as we continue to rock alongside you. Check out more information about the innovative ROQ Pack solution, as well as other solutions that ROQ provides in the marketplace on our website, screenprinting.com, and at roqinternational.com. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great screen printing videos.